Good morning. On this video I'm going to show you how to jump start semi truck. You can see this truck have issues and it's not starting yesterday. I have a jumper, this is 12-volt jumper cable, the jump start. So you have one of these, either you have one of these or you have another vehicle. This is how you hook it up. You see right here, these, let me show you, it's very important because if you don't know which cable where to hook up, it's not gonna work. See? Look for the red cable. Either you can hook it up right here. I did that, it didn't work. I follow that one. I hook it up to that right there, and it works perfectly. So this is the same red wire, and then this is the black. So I follow this black. I hook it up to this thing. It didn't work. So I changed it. This is a black, so I just hooked it up to this thing right here. It doesn't. This is so I hook it up right there, and then I'm gonna hook this one up to right here. I'm gonna hook it up right there. You can see what I'm talking about right there. This thing right here. That's what I'm gonna hook up to. So I hooked it up right there, and then I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, so turn it on, and it's gonna cycle. You see that if it stays like that color, that means you hook it up correctly. But if it comes up red, that means you hook it up wrong. So let's try to start it. And also make sure the switch, if your truck have the switch off, the power kill or the power switch, make sure it's turned on, that thing under the driver's seat. Oh my goodness, see how it's beeping? I don't know why it's beeping, so we're just gonna try see what's going on. I'm gonna unhook it and hook it back on, shut it off, and I'm gonna power it back on, and hopefully that's good. Now let's start it. Perfect. So I'm gonna unhook it. Take the cable off, put it right here. So I'm gonna let it run for a while and drive it around. So that's how you hook it up. In case I've seen a lot of videos about how to jump semi truck, but nobody actually shows you how to hook it up or where to hook it up. I hope this is helpful, and enjoy your day. Bye.